Book Review. What is Life? Erwin Schrödinger. What is life? This book is familiar to some people, and the author, the Schrödinger, is the guy from Schrödinger's cat. This book is a magical book. Even though you read it, you remember nothing. But within half of physics, you may know this book is a very important book in the history of physics and biology. Schrödinger wrote this book in 1945. When the Second World War ended, so you might think he would repeat never won, only peace, but he was a fascinating physicist. He could say more than that. And he defined life within perfect tool called wavification, and he showed life is beautiful itself. So never use life as a tool was the main theme in this book. In this way, we can see this book is based on existentialism. So he defined what is life, and this conversation leads to see how life is important. In this lecture, we'll see the concept of organism and how this concept can be interpreted within modern physics. By his word, organism means a wave which can be a particle too. For example, one human is one particle, but in society, it seems like a part of large flow. So he says wave equation exists in human, and within this equation, human works normally. This seems shocking. If any scientist says this, his career would be over. But after his book, the wave equation was found, and it brought Nobel Prize. The wave equation in our body was DNA. Frankly, so the book of Schrödinger, and she thought if there exists wave equation in human body, it might be seen with the X-ray. So he did it and found DNA. And Watson Crick found DNA is double helix, and those two got Nobel Prize. And DNA actually worked as a wave equation. DNA exists in nuclear cells, and when some factors get inside cell and pass to nucleus, it goes to part of DNA called as operator. And after the combination between the factor and operator part, DNA starts to make a certain protein which is determined by the factor. This protein works as a multifunction, where enzyme and everything of human work happens. So no event in our body passes this course. And the operator is same as the operator of wave equation. For particle there exists wave equation, then apply operator to the wave equation, then we can get certain observation value depending on the operator. So if we apply location operator, we can get the location of the particle, and time, momentum, and energy work same. So we show the wave equation of particle and DNA works within the same principle. And the one who made wave equation and predicted DNA was Schrödinger. So we can define life as follows. Life is a wave on Earth which spreads to Earth's surface, and Richard Dawkins said that this spread of wave is the property of DNA in his book, The Selfish Gene. And Schrödinger tried to make a moral message within this definition. He wanted to point human is not a machine but an organism, because an organism works as a wave and a particle, which only happens when the entanglement entropy is maximum, like black hole and electron. So life is beautiful by itself and never underestimated as a machine.